Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. I hope you enjoyed the last video, enjoyed the next video, and make sure you subscribe.
Hi, my name is Gary. This is my 1977 Trans Am SE. As you guys all probably know, this was the star of Smokey and the Bandit. It is an original SE car. This car is all original. Every nut and bolt is original. This car has never been restored. When I bought this car 4 years ago, the paint was as dull as could be. I worked about 12 hours to detail it, to get it back up to this shine. Love detailing cars. I've been doing it since I've been 13 years old. I'm almost 65 right now. The car retains its original motor, 59,000 original miles on the car. Everything works on this car like it's brand new except for the clock.
There you go. Have you always been a fan of?
I'm a huge Pontiac fan. I have a 66 GTO at home, the tri-power 4-speed, all numbers matching, restored to the 9s that I did a frame-off restoration. This car was just too nice unrestored to touch it, and it drives like it's brand spanking new. I absolutely love it.
I bet. And it looks like it's basically brand new.
It is, and you know what? And it's all original paint, which is such a rarity on this car. And these SEs now have gone through the roof on pricing. I will tell you, you can drive this car today, and it will handle as good as 99% of today's new cars.
Sure, there you go.
And I just absolutely love the car. And it's just, it draws so much attention because of the Smokey and the Bandit movie.
Right. Now, how many times have you watched the movie?
Oh my God, at least 100 times. I'm a huge Pontiac fan. So at least 100 times. It's just a blast to drive, and everybody comes up and asks questions. And I love that it's all original. It's only original once, and even the interior, nothing has been replaced.
Speaking of which, can we take a look inside?
Absolutely. And what makes the SE is all the pinstriping and all the gold trim around the dash and the steering wheel compared to a regular Trans Am. And 77 is the only year with the Hearst T-tops. And again, that was part of the SE package.
I mean, when that movie came out, I mean, it's like you can envision yourself in that car, and so you're living the dream, right?
Absolutely. I absolutely love it. It is just a blast to drive.
And then when you did the paint, did you have to redo the pinstriping or not?
No, I just buffed all around it. It's the original pinstriping and the original hood decal on this car too. Like I say, I've been buffing cars since I've been 13 years old. The car retains its original Pontiac 400 6.6 liter motor. As I was saying, everything is original on this car. The original hood shaker scoop, which is amazing when you drive the car. When you hit the gas, the scoop kind of swings back and forth. The exhaust tips are also original on the car. Most of them are always gone after a few years, especially if you ever went through a winter. These are the original ones. It's the original exhaust system on the car. What's really interesting on this car is this car was Z-barred the day that the guy bought the car, and again, it's my friend's wife, so I bought them off of them. That Z-bar, I got the original Z-bar sticker on the back rear window on the passenger side. It made this car stay perfect. There's not a speck of rust ever on this car. So that Z-barding really did what it was supposed to do back in the day. We'll just keep it 100%. I love this car. I just love to cruise it. I drive it just really nice, and everybody always comes up and asks questions because everybody thinks the paint's new. And again, it's all original paint. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun. I love the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Ams.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and watch more videos.